being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmare.
Hey, Heaven fan, how are you all doing? Hope you are going good with your little ones. Sadly, this isn't a happy video as it's been 2 weeks. Jack got cold, but he is all okay now. We consulted to his vet. He is just having a big problem of breathing, so we got him meds. I am starting his day with fresh air and some veggies with rice. I am boiling the food because he is a happy budgie and loves playing all day long, which will take all his energy as he is having problems with breathing, so I don't want him to be tired while eating as the food will need munching, so soft food works the best.